TGITF. Thank God it's Tyco Friday. Today we have a Viper. This is a Tyco Mattel Viper. Yeah, these motor magnets look like they're a different type of a magnet, but well, we'll check this bad boy out. Pretty cool looking. Blue is one of my favorite colors, so this is a bad looking car right here. Chrome wheels. Yeah. Stands out. Let's put her on a dyno, let her get warmed up, and we'll look her up in the book. Not sure what's going on with those magnets on the motor magnets, but we'll figure it out. They're not stock. Unless different kind of chassis. I'll have to take a look at the chassis a little bit better and see what's going on with it. Here's number 8. These are all Vipers. 1 through 17 are all Vipers. Mattel sure made a lot of them. From 97 to 2001. There she is there, number 8. And we have blue with white stripes, no pipes. 1998. Part number 33896. I got the glow in the dark one. Got a lot of them. I like these Vipers. They're nice. Wide pants. Nice for racing. This thing's not going very fast on a dyno, only 270. That's pretty lame in my book. This may be a 440 times 3. Not really saying much anything on the chassis. Just China, that's all it's saying. I'll put some oil on it. Put her on the dyno and let her warm up a little. Put some Novus Clean and Shine on the body. Yeah, I think those magnets are stronger than regular magnets, and that's why it's only running the 280 on the dyno. I'm not sure why or where I got them from. Yeah, run a 291. Let it run for a few minutes. I might get 3 out of it. That'll be good. Clean up these pickup shoes a little bit. There we go. anybody has slowed down since I moved it over here. Well, take it over to the track and see how it runs. Getting it up to 94. Bouncing around a lot. 81 up to 90, 70 up to 90. Yeah, I think the house is running steady. Yeah, I don't think these magnets are stock magnets. So, we'll take her over to the track. Yeah, it says Tyco right there. Right here it says Tyco. It says made in. Probably under the pickup shoe, probably says China. Let me look under my magnifier. Made in China, yeah. So, I'm not sure what these I think these are some kind of aftermarket magnets. I'm not sure if, but I really ain't sure where it came from. Bought it like that, or I put it under there for some reason. Alright, I'm going to take this bad boy over to the track and we'll take it for a few laps. Power. Yeah, that car pulled right down the track really hard when I put it on. So those motor magnets are, yeah. Yeah, these tires are sticking out too far on this Mega G Plus. These silicones are for a 440 times 2. So they're a little wide. That's why that car keeps knocking everything off it runs by. Find some more narrow tires to put on that thing. Yeah, this thing's live. Handles really well, hugs good. It's gonna be those magnets. This car is a dream to race. Wow. It stops fast. Yeah, these magnets are really strong. Probably designed for a lower armature than what's in it. Viper. Viper Roadster. Yeah. Hope you guys like that. Pretty cool car. Probably gonna end up changing that chassis out because I think those magnets are hopped up magnets. I'm not sure how it ended up on that car. Not sure. Maybe I had it up here in my case and I had that body out and I was looking in the book. I think the book's pretty sure because it's got chrome wheels on it. The book has chrome wheels. And the book it has I don't think those are even chrome. I think they're just gray. So yeah, that's probably not even a correct chassis underneath it. But that's alright. It is a from 1998 Viper Roadster by Mattel. Tyco Mattel. So yeah, we'll find a different chassis to put underneath that before I put it back up in the case, and I'll investigate that that chassis there. I think I may have ordered that stuff from Hardin Creek and built the chassis, and I had it underneath one of my daily drivers that are back there on that last case. That one there, my daily, and I ended up throwing some of the bodies away. I had way too many of them. I painted them, and Rich's Custom Shop didn't do a very good job on them. They were beat up old bodies, but yeah, I think when I threw the body away, I put that chassis in this case, right here and there, and this body, it had a chassis on. Yeah, thanks a lot, Microsoft Defender. I just ran it in between videos, my Tuesday and this video here. The little bell was on. It said it wanted to run. So I said, go ahead and run it. It ran it, and it said it didn't find any. And now that I'm making a video, the piece of shit Microsoft wants to go ahead and run another one. If you got a grandkid that doesn't know what they want to do when they grow up, tell them to be a software person, because our software people now today, whether they work for Intel, they have garbage software people, Microsoft garbage, all these NVIDIA, all these companies, their software is freaking garbage. Honda, my car, massive lawsuit because it brakes on you. It has a camera and it sees a car in front, hits brakes, so it slams on the brakes, and the person behind you runs right into your ass end. They're getting sued for that shit. They never. I bought that car brand new, and it's never updated. It's original software. They think their software is so awesome that they don't have to update it. Well, it's got more than that issue. It's got a bunch. All cars, every one of these car companies needs software. Good field to get into. If they like computers, they don't want to work outside. They want to sit on their butt in a cubicle, sit behind a computer all day. They can learn design software. Appreciate you guys coming in, checking out this car. Yes, it is Friday. Thank God it's Tyco Friday. And you guys have an awesome weekend. I think when I'm done here, I'm going to make a video on that semi that Rich's Slaw Car Room custom semi. And you guys look for that. It'll be a pretty cool video. I'll throw that in on one day. An all day. And you guys can check that out. Appreciate you guys coming in, and appreciate if you sign into YouTube, your YouTube account, especially you guys that are sitting there on your phones, watching on your phone, on how you can enjoy it. How about watching on a big screen? So, each to their own. Sign in, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, tell me what you think of that car. Appreciate it. And you guys have a real nice weekend. Appreciate you coming in, and we'll see you next week for Tyco Tuesday. Later, everybody. Bye.